We want to find the degree and leading coefficient of the polynomial. So I'm going to color code this to begin with. Okay, the blue numbers here, u is to the first power, u is to the second power. I don't have any u's, u to the fourth power. So these are the degrees of the individual terms. -6 is not with a variable, so it is called a constant. And then each of these numbers that are with the letters, the -8 before the u to the first, the -4 before the u squared, and the 7 before the u to the fourth, those are your coefficients. So for us to find our leading coefficient, the first thing we want to do is put this in what's called descending order. So the highest degree to the lowest degree. So I'm going to grab this 7u to the fourth because it's the biggest blue number. And then we're going to put that first. Now I don't have any u to the thirds. And so then I'm looking for u to the second. So that's going to be this one right here. And then I have a u to the first power right there. And then lastly, this -6 is not with anything. So I have my -6. Okay, so the degree of the polynomial is whichever one is the biggest degree on any individual term. So the degree of this polynomial is 4, and the leading coefficient is the coefficient that goes with the biggest one. So that is going to be 7. Okay, so then this next one, just one more. I'm just color coding this. The -4 is the constant. It's not with a variable. Emphasizing what's in front of m to the 8th, there's only a negative, so I have -1 m to the 8th, -12m to the first power, plus 5m to the fourth, plus 3m to the seventh. My blue numbers are my exponents, and that's how I'm going to arrange this from the biggest to the smallest. So the largest one here is to the 8th power. The next one is to the 7th power. The next one is to the 4th power. And then we have an m to the first power. And then this -4, the constant here at the end that doesn't have any variables. So the degree of the polynomial is the largest exponent, so that's 8. And then the leading coefficient is the coefficient that goes with that largest one, so that is -1.